Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to change profile picture and profile banner in eFootball 2026. Okay, let's start. Follow my all step. Now open your eFootball. Now click extras. Now click profile. Now select your picture. Click next. Now select your profile background. Now click done. Now click your profile banner. Now select your profile banner. Now back. Select profile and profile banner. By doing process, you can successfully change profile picture and profile banner in eFootball 2026. Now subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for my watching.